So we've been using Mirka products for about 2.5 years now at all of our shops. So since we've been using the Mirka products, some of the benefits we've seen just across the board, right away, just the dust in the shop. You can see just the overall health of the technicians and the people that work there. They're not covered in dust anymore. By far one of the best investments we've ever done.
What made me start using Mirka products was the difference of the machine that it has. It's a great improvement actually from the past machines that we've had. The dust-free system has changed my work environment drastically. Sometimes my clothes, I used to come home really dirty. We have our closet here where we put them in, but now they're super clean now. I'm able to walk around, it's nice and clean. I like the area that way that I can work with.
What made me use Mirka products is the fact that it's always keeping your stall clean. It keeps the cars inside clean. The vacuum is very useful, and then also it keeps the organization very well with the car. The dust-free system has kept our work environment very clean. As you can tell, the shirts are clean, the shop is really clean. Everything inside the cars, it keeps the customers happy without any dust or anything.
I've been using Mirka products for over 3 years. The vacuum works perfectly for us. We used to have a lot of dust everywhere in the shop. Now with all the products that we have in the vacuum, it's been working for us properly. No dust. You don't get even your clothes dirty. I love this product. It's been working for us very good.
What we've been able to achieve with Mirka products at this point, we've been able to cut our costs down with some of the abrasives. Obviously they last a little bit longer, because they're perforated. They're not, caking with all the material. Those vacuum systems work great. They save the materials, and I think overall just everybody is really excited and happy that, they don't have to be full of dust every day, and, overall shop is just better off, So since using the Mirka products, a couple of things that, obviously we weren't expecting was just the quality, the overall shop quality, Like I can't say this enough, just using these abrasives and their vacuum systems has just made a better environment for our technicians, for our customers, for everybody. It's amazing what you don't know until you try something. The vacuum systems have just been phenomenal. My name is Mark Malott. I'm dedicated to the finish.